Hi. So I was going over this article for Power BI which says that you can enable business users to ask simple questions and get answers. And it does mention that every now and then if you are creating a report for the users, you get questions about the underlying data, and sometimes it is easy but might be manageable to answer, but situations might occur when you receive several emails and aren't able to keep up with the demand. So Power BI solves the problem with the Q&A visuals. From the dashboard view, people can ask questions about the data, and they call it natural language. They use natural language. So I thought of trying this. So this is a report, a demo report I created a while back about some fake companies with the sales about clothing, bikes, component, and accessory for different region uh, globally, and we have various views for that, the sales they're making, and different pages for profit for financial year. So I thought I'll give it a try and ask questions about it, and very simple questions. So and so I will try that. So I'll first just ask a simple question: profit. So just took out everything and said this is the profit for year. So you can see the visuals are pre-populating by itself as I'm asking my question. So 2018 profit is this, 2019 profit is this, and overall profit is this. Now I will say profit by product, and this is the product. Profit by region. So these are all the regions I had: Canada, Southeast, Central, Southeast. These are all America, United Kingdom, France. For and now I'll say in the United States only. So these are all. So now I have concatenated for year 2018. So this is specific to 2018 now. So you can see it is pre-populating. Profit by salesperson, by sales. So you can see as I'm writing questions, and then I can also, it also gives you options to ask questions. What is the profit by reseller count, country, region? So it's a very amazing way. Maybe the business will will play and learn with time, and they will know how to get answers for their underlying questions. So very neat way of helping business and give them more power.